Do you want to open it? Okay, hold on, wait.
Chicken alert! Chicken alert!
Hold on. It's heavy. Take it out.
Take it out.
It's heavy. Oh, help him, Daddy.
It's your own personal candy machine. Right now, I think they're gumballs, but you can put whatever you want in there.
Yeah. Am I allowed to eat gumballs? I think you guys can probably try eating gumballs.
Me too.
Do you like it, Carter?
There's supposed to be money in there.
Here is a gumball.
Ooh.
Do you like the candy machine though, Carter?
Can you share, Carter?
Alright, listen. When you eat gum, you just chew it up. Cameron, you can have one.
Bingo! Happy birthday, Carter!
Say, it's my birthday!
My birthday!
How much is your candy? Is it $100? $0! Aren't you nice?
Yeah, they will.
Oh!
There.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Carter! Happy birthday to you! Woo! Good job! Alright, that cake is all yours, Carter, so whatever you want to do with
All the
it.
kids over here is cupcakes. Yep.
Put your face in it and take a bite.
Say it. Ow. You good? Gonna take a bite? Tell me how it tastes.
Hey, I want some!
Go get a cupcake.
Whoa! What? Stop!
What the heck?
What is that?
That's my Joker.
I love food.
Yeah, like when you was a baby. Like when you were a baby. Is it good?
Oh! What? Joker or him?
Did you get one of each?
Yeah.
Take a bite.
Go.
Go ahead.
One.
Go ahead, one more. All right, next turn.
What is that?
Ayla, back up.
Ayla, back up.
All right, keep going. All right. Oh.
I got this.
Wait, okay.
All right.
Nope.
One more. Give it real quick. You hold it still.
Oh wow, momentum.
All right.
Oh man. There's candy. Go get the candy.
I hope you had a good time. I sucked you
The 6-year-old party. Is that it?
Yeah.
Of course.
You know your Nana. Just follow.
Hopefully you
I
got
got
enough
And you
cash.
know what? He'll
I
do
got
presents
the
just like you too.
He didn't get any cash.
Nice
No.
and slow. Take
Boy
your-
said, take your time with the family gifts. What is it? Yes.
What is it?
That's yours.
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow. I didn't get you a lock though. You have to get a lock.
You got it?
We lost Carter.
Oh, no. Gentle with that. That's pretty neat.
There's more presents. Pokemon.
You can put whatever you want in it. It's your little.
Paint palettes.
Cool.
You were just asking for some of those, huh?
Neat. Hooking you up, Carter.
I want those color colors.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
Over here. Lucy, what are you okay?
Everyone's covered in icing.
You can have my bear. You can have this. You can have
I know,
my
just-
have that. It's mine. Mom's kind of pink.
Wow.
That's grown-up paint, huh, Carter?
Oh, that's some serious paint.
Yeah.
That's not your kid. He said it's kind of paint.